In this video, I want to show you how you can use different workflow in your workspace. Imagine we have a static and a dynamic trial, and we would like to apply some filtering, filling gap, or relabeling some markers, and then use these data as an input for the last workflow, which is inverse kinematic and dynamic solver. So first, I need to import a static trial like this one. And just as a sample, I would like to just remove one of the markers, this one. And we have already all of the markers are labeled. So we need to add another workflow to import our dynamic trial. So here I will select a dynamic trial, and here, as you can see, we don't have any label for the markers. Just as a sample, I would like to select this a specific part of the data as inputs for the inverse kinematic workflow. For instance, this part. And then applying a linear filling gap, and also I would like to just as a sample put a label for some of the markers. This one it's right aces, this one it's right bases, this one left bases, and this one is left axis. Okay, now we need to also select to update the workflow data. Finally, we need to just add another workflow, which is inverse kinematic and dynamic. As you can see here, we have two options to import the data. One of them by selecting a C3D file, and another one by select a workflow data from previous workflows. So the first part is a static trial. We need to select the static data here. And for the dynamic part, we need to select the dynamic data. And as you can see here, we already have the specific zoom, the trim data, and also the label data. Can solve our inverse kinematic or inverse dynamic and obtaining the joint angle or joint moments.